Hey everyone, it's Cashew, and it's time for another episode of Cashew's Kitchen of Curiosities. Now, I planned on doing a kitchen video with you, but not this soon. And as you well know, the events of the world and in this country have caused us all to stay inside. So I thought this would be a perfect opportunity to make a vlog that's a little bit cheery and uplifting. So I'm going to do a review of the KFC donut chicken sandwich. Now, I know there's some reviews out there already, and I've not looked at them. I don't want anyone to kind of taint my view of it, so I'm going to try it out myself, and I'm going to share it with you right as I eat it. I've never had it before, so we'll be doing this together for the first time. Let's go. Our adventure starts here. And once again, my friend York will be joining us on this episode, and he might pepper the conversation with some salty language. Get it? And since we all have to stay indoors, I got mine at the drive-thru window. And right off the bat, the Colonel is telling me to think of this as a tiny treasure chest filled with chicken treasures. As you can see, this is a pretty big box and a pretty big sandwich, and I can already smell the glazed donut in it. And as I pick it up, yeah, it's pretty messy. You can see it's dripping with sweet goodness. So let's see how it tastes. Okay, this is a surprise. I thought it was one glazed donut cut in half like a bagel, and it would be used as a sandwich, but these are two glazed donuts with the chicken sandwich between it. This is going to be very sweet. Okay, so it's the moment of truth, and I'm going to hold the box up to kind of keep it from dripping because it's a very messy sandwich. It's a good combination. The glazed donut, I like glazed donuts, and the glazed donut with the chicken is really good. It's definitely very sweet, so if you don't like sweet things, I wouldn't get it. It's very messy, as I said, so if you're driving down the road on a road trip, I would not recommend this sandwich. You really need to sit down someplace and eat it. Do I think other people would like it? Absolutely. And I like it too, but I don't think I would buy this again because I prefer things like hot sauce. I like things that are more spicy, and this is very, very sweet. So I'm probably going to get a sugar headache from eating this, but if you're a diabetic or you're trying to watch your weight, this is definitely not your sandwich. But if you like something that's a little decadent and tastes good, absolutely get it. But it's a fun sandwich to try for the first time, but I think this is the first and last time I'll have it. And here's a cross section of the sandwich, so it gives you an idea of what it looks like. And it's as decadent as it looks. Okay, so that's my review of the KFC donut chicken sandwich. I'm already getting a sugar headache, so I can tell you I'm not going to get another one of these. I can see why other people would like it, but for me, I think I'm more of a Popeye spicy chicken sandwich kind of a guy. So, something to think about. Also, I'd like to thank George Campbell for becoming my Patreon. And if you'd like to become a Patreon as well, I'll have a link to it in the description box down below. Or if you prefer to make a one-time donation to the channel, I also have a link to my PayPal. Also, I'll have a link to my Teespring shop if you'd like a Cashew Paul t-shirt, coffee mug, or tote bag. So until next time, everyone, this is Cashew signing off. And George, thanks again.